How to trim a sound on TikTok before recording a video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Click on plus button at the bottom. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on add sound at the top. Then you'll find these options to select sound. Simply click on the sound you like and then press on scissor like option. After that, you will be able to trim the song, slide right or left from where you want to trim and press on done. After you've pressed on done, you can simply go back and record your video as you want. After that, you're good to go. This is how to trim a sound on TikTok before recording a video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.